Now, if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you will know who Judge Simpson is. You know, Judge Simpson, aka...
Happy Father's Day to the best judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, best judge in the world.
Anyway, that's usually how we see him. A little giggle and some nice things to say. And we have a lovely wholesome video from him today where he takes a lawyer down a couple of pegs.
The only reason you're entitled to a judgment is because that man put his life on the line to fight for you to have that right and to have that right to say that. I'm going to tell you right now, a disabled veteran who has done all of the things that he's done and all that the guardian is asking is that they allowed to get some of his things out of the apartment to be able to do that so that he can then reside in the place that he is in with some dignity.
You'll find that on my second channel, Judge Demon's Court, and that'll be linked down below for you to check out as well. But in today's video, we got a bit of a family feud of Karens going on over here. I think there's a serious bit of Karenism coming from both sides. Somebody robbing someone's dog and just general arguments.
But if you want to sue for the dog, you're going to have to sue for the dog.
I will.
That's not part of this case.
Right.
So I can't deal with that.
Okay.
All right?
You go
Thank
for
you,
it, 'cause
folks.
You will not win.
It's absolutely hilarious. I really hope you enjoy this video. I want to get a nickname for Karen number one at the top, though.
Friday.
I'm talking.
She's the real Karen in this whole thing, from what I can tell. So give me your best nicknames for her down below.
Bernice Dyer versus Tina, is it Wagazi?
Legacy.
Yes. Wagacy, Wagacy, however you like.
Wagacy.
Vegas. Okay. All right, I have Tina and George Wagacy. All right,
Yes.
where are we on this one?
100% moved out.
Say again?
100%
Oh my God.
You're moved out?
correct.
Sure.
Ms. Dyer? Is that your understanding?
Yes, they moved out. Yesterday, they were supposed to be out Tuesday. And
No.
No, we were to Friday.
I'm talking, please.
I love these
Wrong.
family cases. No,
And,
you don't stop them from talking. This is my courtroom, not your house.
Stop.
My house.
Yeah, Karen, you won't be putting a padlock on the fridge in this house.
Right.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. They moved out.
Yes.
What do you want me to do?
They still have stuff in the house. And they took the dog. They come in yesterday and they stole my dog.
A dog was given to me. I have a bill of sale.
No.
Yes.
Speak quiet.
From the owner.
Just wait till he says.
But if you want to sue for the dog, you're going to have to sue for the dog.
I will.
That's not part of this case.
Right.
So I can't deal with that.
Okay.
All right?
You go
Thank
for
you,
it, 'cause
folks.
You will not win.
Okay, so let me get this right. You guys moved out. There's still stuff there, and now there's a dog missing.
No, there's
Not missing.
nothing. The dog is my wife's. We have a bill of the animal. It was never my mother's.
Say, sir,
Okay.
the dog is shipped to me.
What kind of dog is it?
It's a Labrador.
Okay, so it's a real dog. All right. So let me just start with the property first.
Okay.
In terms of property, Ms. Dyer is saying that there are certain things that are there. But you
No,
guys are saying moved out. You don't want any of the stuff that may be yours or she thinks is yours, right?
No. Right.
correct.
Okay. I don't know that there's a whole lot I can do about the dog. Somebody's going to have to sue somebody else about the dog because that's not part of this case.
I didn't think so.
Well, it's a feckin' good thing that nobody asked you what you think then, isn't it, Karen? What are you guys thinking so far? Who's the worst Karen? Let me know down below.
Boy, this is not right.
Oh, it's 100% right.
No, it's not.
Folks,
Okay.
If I wanted to be a family law judge, that's what I would have done. I really don't want to. This is my second one of the day.
Yeah, that's right. It is his second one of the day. And I've got the other one to show you as well. As soon as that's uploaded, I'll have it in the description down below. It's actually really funny as well. It's a dad versus a daughter, and it gets a little bit hectic.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm going to do. If they moved out, it's all been satisfied. Is there any reason I shouldn't dismiss the case, Ms. Dyer?
Judge, the dog is registered in my name, and I've taken care of him for 5 years. This is my dog. And they're lying.
Excuse me. She took care of him while I lived there for 5 years. No, she took it to the vet one time. So the dog is not hers. It's not even this case issue. I know. We are 100% moved out. And I know that's all you care about, Judge.
Well, no, I care about the dog.
Oh, well, the dog is mine. The dog was given to me.
You guys are fighting over the dog. I don't think the dog ought to be with either one of you. So here's what I'm going to do. If they moved out, you filed a termination. That means this case is dismissed. It's going to be dismissed without prejudice. If Ms. Dyer, and I'm not suggesting it, but if you want to sue for the dog, you're going to have to sue for the dog.
I will.
That's not part of this case.
Right.
So I can't deal with that.
Okay.
All right?
You go
Thank
for
you,
it, 'cause
folks.
You will not win.
Sir, enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, too late.
So, ladies and gentlemen, in the case of Karen versus Karen, who do you declare has been the bigger Karen? I'm kind of on the fence about it, to be honest. I'm sure the old doll up the top is probably a bit of a pain in the backside, but the one down the bottom, oh, she's just so smug, isn't she? But I'd love to know what you think down below. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed this video, make sure and smash that thumbs up button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Sláinte.